This is me unboxing my Louis Vuitton on the go MM from my vendor. And this is the box that it came in. That's the bag. It's the box that it came in. This is like all the stuff to show you that my purse is real. StockX. This is like my receipt paper and stuff like that from Louis Vuitton. Like sticker authentication and stuff like that. Here goes my Louis Vuitton, like, filament paper. Here goes my vendor. Okay, here goes the on the go. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Oh shit. Here goes StockX stuff. Here goes StockX sticker. I'm probably gonna stick this somewhere. This is the on the go MM. This is gonna be my summer bag. I really wanted the Louis Vuitton shopper tote MM. The Louis Vuitton shopper tote, but it was when I went to go get it from Louis Vuitton, it was out of stock. So I chose the on the go MM, which is just a very simple, normal bag that people have carried. Hold on. So this is with all the plastic around it and like. You've chosen a classic, the standard everyday bag. It's a relatable and universally recognized item. Let's explore some thoughts. This is the plastic I'm about to put on around this other bag. I'm about to put my never full never full inside out bag. I'm about to put that inside of here. So yeah, that's everything. That's my never full unboxing. I love the bag so far. It's so beautiful. I'm about to take all this out and put this stuff inside of this other bag. Here goes my toilet it curve. It shows that's my thing of authentication. Oh, there goes my weed candies. Yeah, that's my number 4 MM. Wrong bag. Of course I have the number 4 MM inside out. This is the on the go MM. My bad, everybody. It's the on the go MM. There goes my dust bag. So I can put this other bag away. Let's see how big this dust bag is. Let's make sure that it can fit. I'm sure it can. Just want to make sure. Ooh, it's so hard to do things one-handed and try to be my own tripod. Oh, it can. Okay. I'm about to say it's kind of small, but that's it. Okay. Yep, that's the on the go MM. Let me take out the little silica pads. Put those inside of my other bag. But yeah, that's it.